Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can redefine sketch to new reference. For this tutorial I am using the FreeCAD version 1.0, so you must have at least FreeCAD version 1.0 or higher version. If you want to learn FreeCAD from the scratch, then you can buy my complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. This course also available on Udemy, but problem is that Udemy only give me the 37% of a course selling. You can see here user had paid $15, but I have only got $5. So after minus of taxes I get the pennies on each course selling. If you wanted to see the review of my course, you can go to the Udemy and search for the FreeCAD, and you will see my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. And this course is took by the more than 2000 students, and I have got the rating of a 4.1. For the demo lectures you can expand it and see the demo lectures and the course structure. But I will request you, if you found my course interesting and the reviews of the other student on Udemy, then I would request you to buy my course from the my coffee shops, because if you buy from here it will help me a lot. So once you buy my course, you will be redirected to the Google Drive, and here is the my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. Go inside, and the sections I have shown you on my Ko-Fi shop page. So exactly same lectures under the section is created. For example, section 1 is introductions to FreeCAD 1.0 and what is new in FreeCAD 1.0. So if we go to the section 1, so there are the 18 lectures, and if you go inside of the sections 1, you will find the 18 lecture total. And once you go to the lecture 1, you will find a video file which you can download to your system, and you can watch it. And this course is updated on a equal interval of a time once the new features is came, and once you purchase the course you have the lifetime access to the course. And in the case of any doubt, any query, you can mail me at admin@mechnexus.com. At the end you will find one video which is a promotional video. You can watch the video and take the whole overview of the course. You can also explore my shop where you can download the tutorial source file and some interesting projects on FreeCAD. You can find my course link on my YouTube channel. You can see the course link, and you can also find my Ko-Fi course page link on pin comments and video descriptions. So buy my course and keep supporting my FreeCAD works. Your small course purchase will help me to grow this channel, and it will also motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. So please check out my course on FreeCAD from zero to expert. And now we will come back to our tutorial. Now I will create a new file, and let's insert our body, and on the origin plane, and select this top plane, and click on the sketch, and let's hide the origin plane. Now I will select a 2-point rectangle and create a rectangle, and let's make it symmetric. Select this point and this point, and select the center one, and let's give the horizontal dimension 500 mm, and give the vertical dimension 500 mm. Now it is in a square, and we will come out of the sketch, and now we will extrude it. We will extrude it to the distance of 300 mm. So click on the pad and provide the value 300 mm and say OK. Now here we will create a round profile and extrude it. Select the face and click on the sketch, and here we see that this is not symmetric, so let's make it symmetric. We will go to the model, edit this pad, and we will make it symmetric. The reason behind it, when we edit our sketch again, we will get our center here. And now I will create a circle. So here I am creating this circle on this face, and let's give the dimension. Let's give the 200 and click on OK. And now we will select the sketch and extrude it to the distance of 150, or let's make it 200. So here we have made this pad 200, and now let's consider that you have made a mistake. You want to create this round feature on the back side of a face, but by mistake you have created this on the front face. So you might select it and delete it, and again select the face and create a sketch and the constraint in, and then extrude it. In FreeCAD, if we have did some mistake, we have selected the wrong face, then we can redefine it to the other face. So let's see how we can do it. So expand the sketch, select the sketch and right click it, and you will see the attachment editor. So on attachment editor you will see here pad F face 2, which means that this face is identified as a face 2. This might be 3, 4 or like that. So this is the internal numbering system, how FreeCAD rename it. Now we want to define our feature on a back side of a face, so we will select it and press delete. So here no reference selected, and now click on the reference one, and we will rotate our model and select this back face. So you can see the message here, attach with mode plane face, and it is in a green color, which means it is accepted, and click on OK. Now still our this round profile on the existing face, but here we are seeing the rebuild symbol. So we will right click our sketch and recompute it. So our sketch is got recomputed, but our pad feature still need a rebuild. So we will select the pad and we will click on recompute object. So you can see that it successfully transform on the other side without deleting the sketch or pad. Let's do some more experiment. Let's define the sketch on this face. So we will do the same thing. We will select the attachment editor. This is the face 4. We will delete it, and we will click on here, select reference and select this face and say OK. Now we can rebuild from here, or you can select it and go to the edit options and you can refresh it. So you can see that it got refreshed, and at a single command it updated my sketch and pad. And let's redefine it on the other side. So we will go select attachment editor, delete face 3 and select this face, select reference and select this face and say OK. And now here we will go to the edit and refresh. Shortcut is also given F5. Once you refresh it, it will be get updated. Now We can also define it on the top face. We will select, go to the attachment editor, delete it, select reference and select this top face, say OK, and press F5 from the keyboard. So it got redefined on the top face. So this is how we have redefine this our sketch as well as pad to the multiple faces. So if you have did the sketch on a wrong face, so never delete that sketch, always try to redefine it. Until and unless your sketch is giving lots of problem, then delete your sketch and create a fresh sketch. But for a simple type of error, like if you have created some pad, then redefine it with the attachment editor and save your time. So this is all about this tutorial, how to redefine sketch to the new reference in FreeCAD 1.0. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.